Artificial intelligence used to be science fiction, robots in movies, computers that could think. Stuff we imagine happening someday. Well, someday is now. In 2026, AI is not coming. It's already here. It's already working. And it's changing almost everything about how we live, work, and even how we see the world. Welcome to Breakthroughs of Tech. Today we're breaking down exactly how AI is reshaping our world and what that means for you. Let's start with something that matters to everyone: your health. AI is now diagnosing diseases faster than human doctors. At hospitals using AI-assisted scanning, certain cancers are being detected up to 44% earlier than traditional methods. That's not a small improvement. That's lives saved. Tools like Google's MedGemini and other clinical AI models can now read X-rays, analyze blood tests, and flag patterns that would take a specialist hours to spot in seconds. And in developing countries where doctors are scarce, AI is stepping in. Mobile apps powered by AI are giving millions of people access to medical guidance they've never had before. What about work? AI tools are now writing code, drafting reports, answering emails, designing graphics, and doing it in minutes. Companies like Microsoft, Google, and hundreds of startups have embedded AI assistants directly into the tools you already use. This doesn't just mean people work faster. It means one person can now do the work that used to require a whole team. The jobs market is shifting, not necessarily disappearing, but shifting. The workers winning right now are the ones learning to work with AI, not against it. Here's one most people don't talk about: AI and the planet. In 2023, Google's DeepMind created an AI called GraphCast that can predict weather patterns 10 days in advance, more accurately than any system before it. That has massive implications for disaster preparedness. AI is also being used to accelerate scientific research. Drug discovery that used to take 10 years is being compressed into months. New materials for solar panels are being designed by AI in ways human researchers hadn't even considered. We may look back and realize AI was one of our most powerful tools in fighting climate change. And then there's just everyday life. Your phone already uses AI dozens of times a day. Autocomplete, face unlock, your camera's portrait mode, your Netflix recommendations. All AI. In 2026, that's gone even further. Real-time language translation. AI that screens your spam calls. Smart assistants that don't just answer questions, they actually take action. AI is becoming invisible infrastructure. Like electricity. You don't think about it. You just depend on it. So, is AI changing the world? Absolutely. Is it perfect? Not even close. There are real questions about jobs, privacy, and who controls these systems. But the breakthroughs are real. The progress is real. And understanding what's happening is the first step to being ready for what's coming. That's what this channel is all about. Breaking down the biggest tech stories so you stay ahead. If you found this useful, subscribe, because we're just getting started. Drop a comment. Which part of AI do you think will change the world the most? I'd love to know.